Hey again, Zen here with another episode of Sales Training for Beginners. Today I want to share a simple tip. It is so important. If you are a sales professional, or better yet, if you are an aspiring salesperson, someone who wants to be in technology sales, software sales, SMB sales, sure, yeah, car sales, fintech sales, finance sales, any type of sales, you should build your personal brand. I'll tell you why. Last year, I used to publish posts maybe once every month, sometimes every other week. Today, I post a video and LinkedIn post every single day. It actually took me about 90 days to learn that habit. And I'm sure you could break that record. I'm sure you could learn a habit in 21 days. I'm sure you can learn a habit in 1 week. I've seen people change who they are based on the disciplines of their life. This is called reprogramming. Take a look at our day. Like, what do you do every single day that is your program and you don't have to even think about it? I'll give you an example. I live in Las Vegas and you have to look good, right? You're in the industry. Your job is to basically upsell the club seats and VIPs and the champagne bottles and make it rain, rain, rain. And so you got to look good. And so the program there is partying. I wake up, I work out, I green juice, I work out again, I go home, Netflix, go get ready, go to a party. Rinse, repeat. That is your program. Now, I ask you this. That program, how much money are you making per year with that program? Okay? Answer that question. And I don't care how much you make. I don't care whether you make $30,000 a year or if you make $200,000 a year or $500,000 a year. All I'm saying is that if your answer is, I'm making $50,000 a year, that's your program. If you are making $300,000 a year, that is your program. See where I'm getting at? Now that you know that fact and that two types of paradigm, the question is, how do you go from $50,000 a year to $300,000 a year? Interesting question. And this is unique for everyone. Again, it took me 90 days to develop and learn this habit. You should definitely watch this video on how to transition from your old way to the new way, because there's definitely pros and cons. But I have to advocate, you should build a personal brand. If you are an aspiring entrepreneur, an aspiring founder, if you want to be in sales, in tech sales, or any type of sales, at the end of the day, you are selling no matter what you do. Whether you're in marketing, you're in the industry, you're a model, you're in politics, you're a lawyer, you're a dentist, you have to sell who you are before people can actually trust your business. Think about that. What are the upsides of creating content and becoming a content producer? Yes, personal brand equals content creator. That's exactly what you do, right? To build a personal brand, you have to create content. Upsides: a better brand, a better career, a better business, a better bank account, and overall, a better you. Because you are in public and you're constantly improving yourself, your mindsets, your program in front of people. So practice in public. And you know what? The downside is what people will think of you. That's the only downside I could think of. Like, what would my mom think of me? What would Charlene think of me? What would my friends think of me? The minute you realize, are you listening? Knock, knock. The minute you realize that they don't think of you, that downside goes away. If you want to build your personal brand, follow my journey. If you like this video, hit. If you don't like this video, hit that twice. Okay? Thanks so much for your time. Until next time, peace.